Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So during this busy time of the season, we need to take time out to take care of ourselves. So this morning, I am taking the time out to make a nice big breakfast. So come with me, guys. So we will be making some silver dollar pancakes. We need some syrup, we need some butter, and we're topping that off with a couple of eggs. So as you can see here, I already have the pancake mix in the bowl, and we are using some of that spray butter, and we're going to spray that flat pan where we're going to make the little silver dollar pancakes, and that's what you see me doing right here. Okay, so I believe that pan is hot enough. We're going to spray it with that non-stick spray, and we're going to be using a tablespoon size. So that's the size of the silver dollar pancakes we're making. And we're going to need to do this a few times. So I'll let you listen to the music while we do this. Just so you know, I personally eat low carb, and so this hearty breakfast is for my oldest son, and I cannot spoil them too much. So let me know if you would like to see me do more cooking videos, low carb or regular. I would love to know what you have to say, so make sure and comment below. So we're done making the silver dollar pancakes. Now we're going to respray that pan, and we're going to start the eggs. So normally what I do for him is after everything is cooked, then I put some syrup, and then we have to put plenty of butter, and then the eggs on top. Doesn't that sound delicious? So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making this meal for my son. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day and happy holidays, and don't forget to take care of yourself during this season. Have an amazing day.